am Mr. Odon. I'm a teacher to the Praisir and actually this day has been very fantastic. We've enjoyed to be with you. It's a pleasure and honor. We've thanked you very much. And if you have to come back, we'd invite you. We'd like to come back and you share some skills and experience with us. You've a lot to share with us and we've a lot to share with you. I think if we work together, we collaborate, we shall raise up the hidden skills that are within the band Balaf. So please stay in touch, be with us, and we shall be with you. We've got new friends, Moses. We've enjoyed Julia. You're most welcome. Keep coming. Children have loved you and you've loved them. They're very happy the way you interact with them, the way you introduce songs, diagrams. That is a great way. That's a methodology of delivering your content. Absolutely, we are very happy to be able. So keep it up. Thank you.
My name is Joseph Karusaket. I am coming from Kabuga. Who I'm studying on is the Praisir Collective Belang. I would like to tell them what we've learned in a hand washing campaign. We've learned the 6 steps of washing our hands, the importance of washing our hands to prevent diseases and darkness. I think that.
Smile. Hey,